Hello TST subscribers, today we are going to see a unboxing and review of non-contact infrared thermometer from HTC Instrument. If you are new, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Come on, let's start the video. There is a reason behind selecting this thermometer. So compared to there are so many models available in the market. A unique feature is it comes with emissivity adjustable. So we need to pick a thermometer that comes with adjustable emissivity. So which means the infrared energy emitted and compensated for the energy reflected by the material. So it gives an accurate measurement. In the back of the specification, so we have MT4, MT6 and MTX2. So this is MT4 model. It has a wide range from 58 Fahrenheit to 1022 Fahrenheit. The weight is 176 gram and we have a 9-volt battery. So overall this is the specification, and we have a DS 12:1 ratio, which I'll cover it later. Let us open the box. Here are the 5 reasons which made me to select this model. It has a greater accuracy and it has a high emissivity and a wide range of temperature, and we have a response time that is also very good, and we have a solid design and comes with a backlit display. So these are 5 things made me to select. We have a pouch for this model, so which is really nice. And the next thing is you have a distant to spot ratio, that is 12:1. So normally if you pick any model like other normal model, so it will be coming with 8:1 only, but this one has a 12:1, which is really nice. What it means is you'll have a greater accuracy in the longer distance. So that is what it means. We have a laser pointer on the top and we have a sensor which is located down. It has a greater grip as well, so when I hold it definitely I'll not lose this from my hand. In the bottom you have a 9-volt battery, so it is not coming with AA or AAA cell, so which means it will last longer. In order to switch it on, you just need to pull the trigger, so it will automatically on. So here is the measurement. It is coming 34.7 degrees Celsius. So you can change it to Fahrenheit as well. So you just have to press the up button. So in order to change to centigrade, and down in order to change to Fahrenheit. So it has a hold function as well. So if you need to hold the value, you can hold, and you have a max min also. So that is also present, and you have a safety switch. So that is on the right side. So you see there is a triangle which is highlighted, which means that it is on. So if it is off, even if you pull the trigger, it will not point the laser beam. So that is also one of the unique feature. On top of it, there is a caution which is mentioned in the box, where if you point the laser into a human eye, it will affect. But thankfully we do have a camera to take care of that. Previously in the 5 point I have mentioned the response time. So the response is nothing but the reading speed. So in order the thermometer takes to deliver an accurate reading. So this is mainly if it is being projected to the moving object. So in that case we need to have a very greater response time. We do have response time of 8 to 14 Newton meter. The color LCD display helps us to identify various points clearly. And we have a rugged design, so which means a normal thermometer that is not durable, but this definitely it is very durable. In case if you are wondering how this infrared thermometer works is so it employs a lens to focus the light emitting from an object. So all the infrared radiation falls onto the surface and it get absorbed and converted into the heat. So this is how it works. It has a wide range of applications, so especially in a projector it helps us to find out the hot spot. So if you look right now, so there is an exhaust fan. So here if we keep, it is coming around 107 Fahrenheit. So if you place it in the other part, so you don't have that much heat. So it's obvious. We know a lot of heat that dissipates through this fan. That this is the exhaust for this projector. That is all about this thermometer. If you like to purchase this model, I'll give the link in the description, so make use of it. If you still have any other questions, use the comment section below. And if you're watching it for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye guys.